Hello dear traders, you are watching weekly stock market review on InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. The US stock indices fell sharply on Friday after weaker than expected data from China and Europe fueled concerns of a global economic slowdown. The Nasdaq Composite rolled back to 6,910.66. For the year, the tech-heavy index is now up by modest 0.11%. Friday's losses also wiped out the gains for the week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 496.87 points to 24,100.51, its lowest level since early May, depressed by declines in Apple and Johnson&Johnson. For the year, the Dow is now down by 2.5%. The S&P 500 dropped to 2,599.95 on Friday, its lowest closing level since April, as the tech and healthcare sectors lagged. The index also closed down by 2.75% for 2018. Friday also marked the first time since March 2016 that all major indexes closed in a correction, down at least 10% from their 52-week high. Fresh evidence that global trade tensions are hitting the world's second biggest economy emerged on Friday as China released data that showed both industrial output and retail sales for November missed economists' forecasts. Economic data out of Europe was no more encouraging. The Purchasing Managers' Index showed the German and French private sector slowed sharply in November. Investors appear to take little solace in strong US retail sales data. Meanwhile, Purchasing Managers' Index reading for the US manufacturing and services sector fell to multi-month lows, showing expanding activity but at a slower pace. In corporate news, Johnson&Johnson was the Dow's biggest loser on Friday, with its shares tumbling by 10% after Reuters report alleged the company knew for decades that its baby talcum powder was sometimes contaminated with the carcinogen asbestos. Johnson&Johnson said the report was one-sided, false and inflammatory. The decline knocked around 100 points off the Dow. XPO Logistics stock wasn't focused after the release of a short seller report on Thursday that accused the company of hiding poor returns with aggressive account tactics. The company responded to the report, accusing it being intentionally misleading. The stocks rose by nearly 16% on Friday after falling by more than 26% during Thursday's trade. You have watched weekly stock market review on InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. I wish you profitable deals and see you later.